Right where all those sticks are, a big camper fell through the ice right there.
Yeah. It fell through the ice, and then when we came here, we seen it sitting in the parking lot.
It was like 3/4 of the way submerged in water, and then so we would have thought that it was like ruined and that they wouldn't bring it out again. And then as we're fishing, we open up the window and someone's pulling that camper back out to the same spot.
He just pulled it out and started fishing again.
They drowned.
What?
The whole family didn't make it, but
what?
they got.
Let's see how Len's doing.
Another circle if you want to use it.
I'm gonna get a 6 shot.
And he was just drinking and having fun. Then he tried leaving, going to the boat launch and driving back. And all the ice fishermen came and made a big barricade with the truck so he couldn't escape. And then he went around it up on the grass.
Yeah.
They crashed through a porta potty. And then got on the street and drove away. And then he was arrested.
You guys were catching crazy fish last time, weren't
I was
you?
on there.
You caught something like this big.
I was on Lake Emily.
Dang.
We never have any truck out here.
We're in a ranked lobby right now, you know that?
Yeah. I hate coming out here. I hate wearing this.
He's gonna run it over. No, they see it.
Well, yeah, it's the big stick poking out.
They were waiting for him at the boat launch. They saw him walk in, and then they pulled out their binoculars and looked at his lines. And then they were like, "How come you didn't pull in your lines?"
Len, you saying you would get this bag?
It's because it was loose. I tightened it up a bunch, and then now it seems like it's loose again.
You tightened it while we were fishing?
No, I tightened it last night. Me and AJ.
Yeah, but it worked last time. You're like, oh, it randomly started working again.
All of a sudden, the thing started spinning, and the blade wasn't actually moving.
Oh.
And bring it out here. Well, you can carry that back.
Wait, leave it open.
Sam.
Yo. What? Bro, just said my name, then nothing else.
I don't know.
I had my phone on my lap like this, and then it fell off my lap, hit my boot, and slid straight into the ice hole. I felt so bad when that happened. That bag is pretty fire, to be honest. I like the plastic on the straps.
Look how close they set up to us.
That's alright.
You didn't even see them. They're like right next to my tip up.
That's what this reminds me of, bros on the land.
There, now your hole's nice and warm.
That's Sam's.
Sam, I'm warming up your hole.
How are you guys out here with no sunglasses?
Because I
Did I
forgot
didn't bring any?
Oh.
Should I jump on his back and...
Let's see about
Like,
bro, why are we not running?
it's a small northern.
Almost straight. My hands are cold.
Yeah, deal with it.
Let's
Wait,
go.
I want to get some.
Wait, measure it. What? Why?
Yeah, it looks cool. Hold it out.
My hands are so sluggy.
All right, ready?
Goodbye.
All right, well, we caught one. Did we measure it?
Pretty good. Down. You gotta drop the line. I don't really want to go this way. I want to go more that way, but
Come on, get a pic of us. With the
don't.
no, do it with
I
the
just have a
camera.
camera on my head.
Who cares?
Me. I'm the one that cares.
Oh yeah.
They make an ice scoop that you.
Look what I got. I was saving this. Do you want one?
Putting in work. These boys are out here eating burgers and chit-chatting.
If I drink, I can hold on here.
You get on my chair. You can have the cheap chair.
Bro,
I put my drink on it. I put my gear on
I
it.
took everything off.
Sam was sitting in that one, and he was like, oh, that one looks nice.
It is nice.
Orange kiss.
Bro, smooching over there.
Look at Joe's new bag he got. You got it on Amazon? Dude, I want one of these.
Be like, bro's like, yeah, I'll cut it out, and then he blurs the screen as we're saying the numbers. You know, Sam's not good at editing.
What? Dang.
Bro.
Is that guy's the same still pants?
Yeah, it's a
And the
cons.
other guy's the same coat as mine. Yeah, no one's got your fit, I know it.
No TikTok shop fit. Outdoor pants. Ah. Ow. We got the outdoor pants straight from TikTok. We got the Shoe Luke boots straight from TikTok. Dude, the reviews are crazy on this. And then the jacket's from Menards actually. The heated jacket from Menards. Gloves, I don't know where.